Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, January 18th. Let's do a quick pre-market update. This is only for day trading, just for today. Green lines are the buy lines, red lines are the sell lines. Middle line is the neutral line. So basically, we do no trades in the middle. If stock goes to red line, we short, and if it goes to green line, we cover, and if it goes to green line, we buy, and if it goes to red line, we exit the trades. All right. So you can see Nasdaq 100. This is tech sector of US. Came to buy line yesterday. Very nice trade. Came from buy line now today to sell line. Very easy trade. 2.11% profits. Easy trade. So now there was some, I think some data release at 8:30, so they're just selling off slightly, still in the sell zone. All right. So if market comes to neutral zone, look to buy again. But right now it's a good time to short. If it keeps going higher, the better it is to short. All right. S&P 500, same thing here. Came to buy zone and now went to sell zone. From buy zone, you can see nice profits here. 1% profit. So just now a little bit lower than sell zone. So still it can go higher. So that will drag Nasdaq also higher. Dow Jones now near buy zone actually. So Dow zone 37,134 in here. Look to buy Dow Jones. One of the factors of Dow Jones in the buy zone is UNH. Where did it go? Let me show you here. It's one of the healthcare stocks. Let me, I have to pull it up. Here you go. So down 3.99%. So I'm going to put this up here. This is one of the major factor of Dow. Here. Okay. So there was, I think there's an earning release on Humana Group. They're saying higher healthcare costs, so they're dumping. So actually, that's a good thing for UNH because it's in the buy zone. So if you want to buy UNH's biggest healthcare provider, you can see it came to the buy zone. It bounced very nicely here. After earnings, it came to buy zone and then bounced almost 5%. Again, it's the same scenario here. So this is your second opportunity. If you missed that dump, now this is your opportunity to buy again, UNH. All right. So that's here one of the favorite stocks. And Russell 2000 also same thing here, came to the buy zone and now it's in the sell zone. So nice profits. Whoever took this trade, 1.19%. So now again going back to the neutral zone. Tesla, also you can see it was in the buy zone, and I was telling this to all my subscribers, came to the buy zone and then bounced. And now there are a couple of gaps on Tesla. It bounced almost for 3.38%. This gap will definitely be filled to 91.31. So they might want to now do a gap up. It's possible. So what we can do is we can go and go to regular trading hours, go to 1 hour chart, and uh, try to make this gap down. Let's try to mark it. Here you go. All right. So they might want to come back to fill this gap and then go high, but there are all these gaps to the top side. All right. So keep that in mind, and you can trade accordingly. Let me turn extended hours here. All right. Okay. So oops. So just keep adding. Here you go. All right. So yeah. All right. So Tesla is going to the sell zone. There are a couple of targets: 219 and then 226.42, and then third target is 232. All right. Gold. Gold was also in the buy zone from last couple of days buy zone. Now it bounced to neutral zone or coming down, consolidating a bit, but I think it's gonna get ready to bounce again. So do not be too bearish. Gold miners were in the buy zone, you can see here. So it was a good time to still good time to buy. I think there's a gap around 28, then there's a gap around 25. So massive gaps here. A lot of profits possible on gold miners. 2.16% and then 6.87% multiple profits possible. Silver did not touch buy zone, came close, but it's going to behave like gold, so keep an eye on that. Crude oil came to the buy zone, bounced to the sell zone, now in the neutral zone. Let's see what else is here. Dollar is now touching the sell zone. All right, so that means good news for stock because I think dollar is going to throughout the market weaken, and then that will pump a stock market and Bitcoin and gold. All right, natural gas is in the buy zone. This is the time you should be buying natural gas. Bitcoin again, you can see came to buy zone, bounce again coming to the buy zone, and then bouncing to the neutral zone. So you can see here around 42, 182 bounced to neutral zone, 1.52% again coming close. Now I think it's going to go back again to buy zone, 42, 198. So if it comes anywhere here and below, look to buy. Ethereum just touched the buy zone. 25, let's say 2500. If it comes to 2500, look to buy again. It's going to bounce again. All right. So that's what Bitcoin and crypto should be doing. Hang Seng Index China was in the buy zone for a while. Now again going back to the buy zone. So look to buy around 15295 and below. Those are the buy zones. And anything else pre-market? Apple is pumping. I don't know what happened, but it was in buy zone and now pumping to the sell zone, multiple gaps. Looks like they're going to do a massive gap up on Apple, 3.91%, very, very good here. So looks like indices will be going for new all-time high. You can see these guys, Nasdaq, if I go to daily chart, all these might be now trying for new highs, okay? It might be going for a new all-time high. It's quite possible here. All right, you can see here what they're trying to do. That yesterday was a bear trap, but today they're trying to pull, okay? Even S&P 500, you can see they're trying to pump, so they could go high and it can go to new all-time high from here. All right. Okay, guys, that's it for today, and hopefully this analysis was helpful. Let me go back to auto. And all right, that's it for today. Any questions from anybody? Apple had a upgrade. Yeah, low profile. Yeah, Apple had an upgrade, so it's pumping. So I think it's going to help market.